Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix there isn't enough memory available to create a Ramdisk device error code. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up a command prompt. So click on search, type in CMD, command prompt, and then run it as administrator. And click yes. Now from here we've got to put in a few commands. So I'm just going to open up this text document here. Sorry, I'm going to open up a web page. All right, here's the web page with these commands. So you can take a screenshot of this and copy this, or just write it down manually. If you want, leave a comment down below and I'll put these commands in the description. But for now, we're just going to roll like this. So first command, copy this one and come back to the command prompt, paste that in, hit enter. Second command, I'm going to copy that, chuck it in there. And now for the last one, we want to do SFC scan. So copy that and paste that, hit enter. And now it's going to do a system scan. So it normally takes around, a couple of minutes to complete. So once that finishes the scan, you want to go ahead and restart your computer, and that should fix your issues. And yeah, here are the commands again as well.